How to create AOL email address. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email address in AOL. First, go to any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. After that, click on the search bar and type in AOL. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official website of AOL. After that, here on the top right corner, you can see this mail option. Click on mail. Now if you have already created an account, you can type in your username, email or your mobile number here and click on this next option. And if you have forgotten your username, click on this forgot username and reset your username. Now to create an account, click on this create an account option. Here type in your full name on this first field. Now type in your email address. Here type in your password, or you can also use strong password recommended by Google itself. Now you have to type in your date of birth. Now click on this next option. Now you will also need your mobile number to create a new account, so type in your mobile number here. After you type in your number, click on the send code option and you'll receive a code on your mobile phone, and after that simply type in the code, or you can also copy that code and paste it here. After that, you'll be able to sign in your account in AOL. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.